Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the tilt rejection feature inside of FieldGenius. So what I have done to begin here is I'm already paired up to my receiver. It's already fully set up, and if you want to learn more about how you can set your receiver up, go check out survey-assistant.com. We have all of our guides on how to set up a network rover, basin rover, or any other kind of receiver you would so desire. But with my receiver set up here, what I'm going to do in the top right corner is click on my instrument settings profile. Now, the first thing I'm going to want to do is head down to the bottom of this menu, where I'm going to find my tilt correction options. Right now, you can see mine is disabled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots to the right of it and click on tilt settings. To enable my tilt rejection, the first thing I'm going to want to do is to click enable. And then to enable tilt rejection, I'm just going to need to select the box, and then I can enter the angle that my tilt rejection will come on for. Now, it is important to note that setting your tilt rejection to 0 degrees while the tilt sensor is enabled won't give you better performance. The tilt sensor actually works best with a slight angle in your receiver. So what I would recommend doing is setting it to somewhere like 10 or 15 degrees. It's kind of the optimal range is between 5 and 10 to 15 degrees for the tilt sensor of most modern receivers. So set a value somewhere in there. And with it set, you can click on done, calibrate your receiver, and if tilt is outside of that range, it will flag you and throw up a tolerance warning that your tilt is not met when you're going to take your shot. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable tilt rejection inside of Microsurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help me out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.